Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play COD Mobile Activision. First, download the game from your App Store. Then, create or log in with your Activision account to save your progress. Don't skip the initial tutorial. It teaches you all the basic controls and game mechanics you'll need to get started. It's a quick way to jump into the action. Once you're in, take time to customize your HUD layout and sensitivity settings. Finding what feels comfortable for you is key to better gameplay. Head into training modes to practice your movement, aiming, and shooting. Also, learn about the various weapon types and their effective ranges. This knowledge will give you a significant edge in combat. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Quick recommendation: speaking of tough, you need tough socks for those long gaming sessions. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. COD Mobile offers many exciting game modes. Jump into multiplayer for fast-paced action in modes like Team Deathmatch or Domination. If you prefer a larger challenge, try Battle Royale, where you'll compete to be the last player standing. As you play, you'll earn experience points, unlocking new weapons, powerful perks, and game-changing score streaks to enhance your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.